Hello student, this is Mohit Sirvas. Today we are going to discuss about prime numbers and composite numbers. So let's begin to make mathematics easy. Prime numbers. Those numbers which will have only two factors. Those numbers which will have only two factors. Okay. For example, I am taking one number 7. Okay, it will have only two factors, number itself and 1. Number itself and 1. Only two factors it will have. Okay, understood? So in simple language, which number is having only two factors, 1 and number itself, that number is called prime number. Okay, the smallest even prime number is 2. Smallest even prime number, it means even prime number. Okay, clear? So 2, only 2 is a even prime number. Rest of all prime numbers are odd number. Rest of all are odd number. Okay, odd, it means only 2 is even prime number and rest of all number, those who are prime, they are odd number. Clear? One more thing, 1, I'm writing over here, 1, neither prime nor composite. Okay, neither prime nor composite. Now let's discuss about composite number. A number which will have more than two factors. Example, I am taking 8. Okay, so factors of this, 1 and number itself. After that 2 is also, 4 is also. Okay, so it will have 4 factors. 1 and number itself. Besides 2 and 4 also factors of 8. 2 and 4 also factors of 8. Okay, so this number is called composite number. Clear? Understood? The topic is even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, normally we know, but how can we identify quickly which number is odd, which number is even? Okay, so first of all I will tell you basic thing. Any number is divided by 2. Any number divided by 2 completely, it means no remainder. Okay, no remainder. After dividing, there it means there will not be any remainder. Okay, there will not be any remainder. So that number is called even number. Odd numbers, okay, any number is divided by 2 and at last any remainder is left. Okay, remainder is left, so that number is called odd number. Example, you can see over here 7, 9, 11, okay, 13, odd numbers. All are odd numbers. Here even 4, 8, multiples of 2, 12, 14, okay, all are even. Okay, one more thing. Suppose I am writing one number over here. You can see here I am writing any number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how can we identify quickly this number is even? Simply see the last digit. If this number is a multiple of 2, it means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If 0 is coming or is that at last, so that number is also called even number. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 means multiples of 2. If they are coming at last, it means if any number is coming at last of this number, so this number is called even. Okay, in the case of odd numbers, I am writing one number over here. Okay, so if see at the last number, in both the cases. Okay, if this number is odd, this number is odd, so this number, if this number is odd, so you can easily say this complete number is called odd number. Okay, this number is odd, okay. So this way we have completed basic concept, some more basic concepts. Okay, so in next video we will discuss with it means new question. Okay, so till then, bye children.